Hello, welcome to PriscomSales software. So I'm going to show you how you are going to use this software in your business. If you are opening this software for the first time, kindly register. So just choose register your email here. So I've already registered my email, so I'm just gonna log in. You can run this software on your phone or on your laptop, so it's acceptable anywhere. After you have logged in, the first thing you're going to do is to update what you're selling in the inventory table. Go to the restock section, click on add new item. So what is the item that I want to add? 12 inches fan. So how many did I buy? About 5. How many will it get for me to buy again? 1. So what is the price at which I bought it? 30,000 naira. So who sold it to me? Andrew. Okay. Was he paid? Yes. Cash. No, I did transfer. So you can upload your invoice and rename it. So we add an invoice. So this item have been updated in the inventory table. In case this item finishes and you want to restock it again, all you need to do is select the item here and fill all this information and have it restocked in your inventory table. So let's go to the inventory table to see the item we just registered. So you can see we have 12 inches fan and we bought 5, and 5 is what we have, right? We've not sold any. So if you want to sell, then you click on sell. This is where you record your sale. So select what you want to sell. So we want to sell the fan. We want to sell one. At what price? 50,000 naira. So who bought it? Robina. Phone number. Phone number is optional. You can decide to get a phone number, but it's very important so that you can follow up on your customer and have your customer details. So how did Robina pay you? Transfer. So you must upload an invoice to make sure that your sale is valid, right? So if your sales girl or your salesperson does not have an invoice, please, if you do not have an invoice, write the price at which you bought which you sold it, snap it and upload it as evidence of sale for clarity and security. So I don't have an invoice right now, so I'm going to upload a picture so that we can continue. So first upload your invoice. Now save your sale. Okay, so now I've sold the item, right? Very important, please, restocking or sale, today's sale and today's restock. So I did not restock anything, the restock is empty, but I sold something. This is what I sold. So please click this update inventory balance. It's very important. It updates the item that you have already put in the inventory, these items here. So let's refresh that, you see what I'm talking about. So you can see fan, we had 5, we sold 1, so we have 4. Simple and short. You don't have to do your calculation, you don't have to keep the track of what you'll be selling over time. This software does it for you. So if you want to return an item, let's say Obina returned the item that you bought from you, so you want to restock the fan, so you want to return that item. So fan, you now choose the item that you want to return, which 12 inches fan, then the quantity is 1, so you submit. You can see that the fan has been returned back to the store, and now we have our closing balance to be 10,500 at which we bought it, so nothing left the store, right? So this is how this software help you to manage your sales. So this is what you sold today. Okay, so if you want to check what you sold maybe yesterday, just select the date and it shows you everything that you sold on that day. So if you want to filter know what to sell for a particular day, so let's say for fridge you want to know all the sales that you have on small fridge, this is it. If you want to select this, it will filter a particular thing based on the dates that you select. So if you want reports, this is your report. We have weekly report, we have monthly, we have yearly report. So if you want weekly report, so it gives you a report of everything that you sold for a whole week. So it's giving you your opening balance, your stocking, your return total item that have returned over the week, and your total stock out. So you can keep track of your business to know how your business have been doing, your high selling product, your low selling product. You understand? So if you want to delete an item, so enter the name of the item that you want to delete. Let's say I want to delete the 12 inches fan. So you can see the 12 inches fan is here. So accept, delete. So 12 inches fan is out of inventory. You do not have it in your inventory again. So let's go back on. So you can see that the 12 inches fan is gone. It's no longer in the inventory. Let's go back to restock. Let me show you all the features that is in the restock. This place is where you call data. These are all the items that you have bought and restocked over time. Now this is where you delete any restock, any item that you purchased and you maybe it didn't go through, you didn't pay or anything, you just want to delete it, you delete it. Mind you, there is room for employee and the owner of the store. So if you are the owner of the store, you have access to this, but if you're not the owner of the store, you do not have access to this. So this is your report section. This is where you get a detailed report of what is happening in your business. So it gives you the total amount of money you have spent, the total quantity you have restocked, and the transaction you have done within the selected date of when you want the report. You understand? So this is your payment status. So there's interpretation to what this diagram you're seeing here. There's interpretation. It says the most frequent payment status is paid, making about 6.7% of all the records. The least common status is partial, representing, so it gives you explanation of what is going on here. So you can see you don't have any spending over time yet. So the bigger your data, the more informative this place is. Top restock item and many more. So you can download this record here. You can just click here. So you have the record on your phone. So easy, right? So let's go to the sales. This is the most critical part. You can generate your receipt. You don't have to have physical receipt for anybody. So if you can generate receipts, just select the date that you want to generate receipt, then choose the item, the sale that you want, then show receipt or download receipt. So you can click download receipt and you have it downloaded. Yeah, so and it has your name on it. It has your name on it.